RLS Spanish presents Spanish pronunciation.
All right, our next group I'd like to talk about is still the letter C, okay, but with the letter C, there's a couple things that happen with the letter C in Spanish. Like we said before, there's a hard C and a soft C is one of the big things, okay? So the hard C we just talked about, the hard C is the K sound, sounds like the letter K. The soft C makes a S sound, it's like the letter S, okay? For this lesson, we're going to be talking about this letter, okay, which technically is no longer a letter in Spanish. It's not part of the alphabet because the Real Academia Española took it out a couple years ago. But since it does make a different sound, I do want to talk about this as its own separate lesson. Okay, so when it was a letter, the way they said it, the name of it was Che. Okay, so this would be called the Che. So you have like A, B, C, D, and this would be the Che. Okay. Now, the reason I like putting this separate is it does make a different sound. Remember, we talked about that the letter C can be a hard C, it can make the K sound, like a K, a K sound. The letter C can also be a soft C when it's followed by an E or an I, which means it makes an S sound. Okay, so S. The soft C makes a S sound. And then with this one, if you have a C and an H, then it makes a Ch sound. Okay, so it's actually really easy. It's doing kind of the same thing we would do in English. Now, one thing I would say about this one that you want to be aware of is anytime you see this ever in Spanish, it's always going to make that sound Ch. Okay, because the hard part with that is in English, sometimes it doesn't do that, right? Sometimes when you have a CH in English, it makes a hard C sound, a K sound, like for example the words archaeology or Christmas or Christian. Okay, in English that's a CH, but it's making a hard C sound. In Spanish, that never happens. Okay, in Spanish, it's always going to make a Ch sound every time you see it. Okay. So let's look at a couple words here that have the Che in it, or the CH in it. Chancho, chancho. Cheque, cheque. Chile, chile. Chocolate, chocolate. Lucha, lucha. Mucho, mucho. Archivo, archivo. All right, for this I'd like to look just a little bit more at, like I said, those words that in English they have a hard C sound for the CH. They're cognates in Spanish, but in Spanish they're just spelled a little differently. They're spelled with a C instead of a CH. Okay, so it just makes that hard C sound instead of a Ch sound. Okay, because in Spanish the way you're going to get rid of that Ch sound is you're going to change it to a hard C instead of a CH. Okay, so here are a couple examples of those. Cristianos, cristianos. Cristo, Cristo. Psicología, psicología. Cronología, cronología. Chromosoma, chromosoma. Okay, sorry, I just actually thought of another one as I was going through those. Christopher Columbus, Christopher. Okay, that's a CH sound. But the way you say those in Spanish, the name Christopher Columbus, you say Cristobal Colon. Cristobal Colon. Okay, so let's run through those one more time and throw that in the mix. Okay, so repeat them after me. Cristianos. Cristianos. Cristo. Cristo. Psicología. Psicología. Cronología. Cronología. Cromosoma. Cromosoma. Cristobal Colon. Cristobal Colon. And the last thing I'd like to mention about the che or the ch in Spanish is that there are some Spanish speakers that with that letter they'll make more of a sh sound, like a sh sound, when it's a ch instead of the ch sound like we do in English. Okay, and the Spanish speakers that talk like that, they're gonna say, like, for example, this word, instead of saying mucho, they might say that like mucho. Or this word, instead of saying chocolate, they might say it like chocolate. Okay, or this word, which means like a boy, instead of saying it muchacho, you'll hear them say it like muchacho. Muchacho. Okay, and that's I believe it's in Mexico is where that happens. So if you meet, it's only some Spanish speakers that are gonna do that pronunciation instead of the ch sound. Okay. Okay, muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And we hope to see you in our next video. Until next time, adios.